Hi everybody, welcome to
Rime Time today.
Today we're working with the word family ice. Can you think of any words at home that have the ice words? I see you looking at our song, but I wonder if you can think of any words with ice. Well, they're smart because they're looking, because good writers and spellers look around them, right? Gina, can you think of any ice words? Let's rhyme. Let's see. Ice, lice,
Kice,
kice,
mice.
Mice. Anyone at home? Let's hear you.
Mice.
Wait, we gotta listen to them at home.
That's a good word.
That's a good word. Does it have ice in it? Eliana, you can join us. Go on in there. Go on that side. All right, well, we're gonna sing this song, Mrs. Price's Mice, and it goes like this. Mrs. Price has 2 pet mice, very nice, 2 pet mice. Every day she fed them twice, 2 tiny bowls of rice. Hey, what words did you guys find with ice? Let's see. Rice,
Mice.
twice, mice, price, nice. They all rhyme. Price, mice, nice, mice, twice, rice. Let's see the next little stanza. Mrs. Price had just 1 cat. Imagine that, just 1 cat. He drank milk with lots of ice. He thought it tasted nice. Let's sing it with the music. Here we go. Price had 2 pet mice, very nice, 2 pet mice. Every day she fed them twice, 2 tiny bowls of rice. You can point. Mrs. Price had just 1 cat. Imagine that. Can't hear you. Let's hear you. He drank milk with lots of ice. He thought it tasted nice.
Now let me hear you. Good job.
All right, let's sing it nice and loud this time now that we know it. Are you ready?
Get your throat ready.
And go. Eliana, move this way.
Mrs. Price had 2 pet mice, very nice, 2 pet mice. Every day she fed them twice, 2 tiny bowls of rice. Mrs. Price,
Oh, Mrs. Price had just 1 cat. Imagine that, just 1 cat.
he drank milk
With lots of ice, he thought it tasted nice. Okay, let's read those words one more time that we found. Here we go, let's point to them. Price, mice, nice, mice, twice, rice, ice, nice.
What
Okay,
was ice? Because that's our word we're learning.
but it is also a word though, even though it's the rhyme at the end. All right, we're gonna do some making words next, and we're gonna write those words down.
It's done. Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Okay, everyone, we're ready to do our making words lesson. So, if you could please get out these letters. Of course, we have the word family ice, I-C-E. And then we have the letters above. So we're going to do the sounds. Say them with me. S, M, L, P, W, T, R, H, P. So get out S, M, L, P, W, T, R, HP, and then the I-C-E. So go ahead and pause this if you haven't gotten those letters out, and we will get started. Okay, our first word is the word ice. Well, we have it. Look at that. Ice. Way to go. The next word, bring 1 letter down to make mice. You got it. Let's say it. Ice. Mice. Bring one letter down to make, this. If you could take one of your P's and make it a D, that would be awesome. To make the word dice. We roll the dice during math today. Say it with me. Ice. Dice. The next word I'd want you to make is the word rice. Let's see, bring that down. You got it. Ice. Rice. This time we're going to bring 2 letters down to make the word price. The grocery store had the price of the bread. There it is. Remember, this P goes in the basement. You see that his little leg? He goes right in the basement. Whoop. All right, let's say it. Ice. Price. Good. Now, can you bring your T down and your W? And let's think about what this says. We know ice. Let's say this part. To ice. Twice. That's right. I went up and got my pencil twice. Twice. Okay. This time take 2 letters to make the word slice. I had 1 slice of pizza. Slice. You got it. Look at that. Now the L is tall, so he's going to be taller than the rest of these letters. Let's say it. Slice. Slice. Take 1 letter away and slice to make spice. I like to add a little spice to my soup. You've got it. Bring that P over here. Whoops. You've got to go in the basement. Line it up. Let's say it. Ice. Spice. Very good. All right, next thing, we're going to be writing our words down. Now, I don't have enough room, so I'm going to take my letters down, but you don't have to do that. If you don't have a whiteboard and marker and eraser, you can always just do it on some paper. I'm going to keep our ice here so that helps me. Here we go. Let's start off with the word ice. Ice. There it is. The next word, let's do mice. Ice. Mice. In our poem today, in our song, we had the word nice. We didn't make it, but let's write it. Ice. Nice. Okay, sometimes we eat rice. Ice. Rice. Let's make dice. We rolled the dice. Ice. Dice. Next word is price. Watch my P, it goes down into the basement. Ice. The next one is twice. Ice. That means to do something 2 times. Slice. Ice. Means to cut something. Have a piece of something. All right, and our last word is spice. Ice. If you've got some time, you could write your own words with ice in them and share them with us on the YouTube channel. You can comment. Let's read these words. Ready? Here we go. Ice, mice, nice, rice, so that's dice, price, twice, slice, and the last one, spice. Awesome job today. See you next time.
Bye! Hope you had fun at Rime Time today. For coming today, and make sure to click that thumbs up to our channel and have a great rest of your day.